No, it's not a birthday vlog, not a fake birthday, not the real birthday. Hi guys, this is Divya Moon and I'm back. So today's video, as you know by the title, I'm filming a guide for you. So if you're ordering from Pretty Little Thing and you're living in India, so this is how you can order. I'm actually going to link the website down below for you to check out. First of all, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just going to help you guys here. Yeah, you have to order from the UK one, not from the USA, Australia one, because I don't think the USA ships to India, but the UK one, they were shipping to India. And the currency would be in pounds. So first, if you're ordering, just convert the total price into rupees. That is what I did, of course. I'm actually pretty much impressed by the delivery time. I ordered on 20th of August and the order was dispatched by 22nd of August, and I received my order on 31st of August when it was expected to be received by 8th of September. Like, yeah, it's what, 1 week, 1 day, that is it takes to deliver your order from UK to here. So I'll tell you what all did I order from Pretty Little Thing. Okay, so guys, I ordered 3 things. The first is this romper. Second is this bodysuit which I wore on my birthday. And the third thing I ordered is this grey pants. Okay guys, so if you're talking about the sizes are in UK size. Okay, so I took the help from H&M's website, so I'm gonna place that size card here so you can also take help. So I was size 4 for the romper and the bodysuit, but I wanted my pants to be baggy, so I ordered a size 6. And yeah, these were my pants. And the best thing about these pants are that they also have this belt here. I personally love these pants. They're so comfortable. I already wore it once. And yeah. Okay, so now talking about the romper which I'm wearing. It has this zip. So guys, before wearing this romper, there was this whole string attached to it, which is actually nice. Yeah, it said please do not remove unless you are satisfied with this garment, and it also says Pretty Little Thing on it. Like, of course, if you want to return, don't remove this, but I was pretty much satisfied and I don't want to return my items. Okay, so now talking about the third item which I got. So soft. Like, I love the quality of Pretty Little Thing. Now talking about the shipping charges. So guys, the shipping charges is supposed to be 6.99 pounds, and that in Indian currency is 665 rupees. So yeah, so guys, here's the trick how to get a discount. Alright, they give you a discount of 6.99 pounds, which is actually the shipping cost 6.99, and I'll tell you how. Okay, first you have to create an account. Once you create an account, they send you an email which is of 30% off. That is 6.99. so here your shipping charges are gone. So yeah, that is it. Now talking about the subtotal of the clothes I ordered, which are 3 items, they all together cost me 37.99 pounds, which were 3,616, but approximately it was 4,000. But yeah, I only paid 3,616. So now talking about customs. Okay, so here it's written if there are gonna be any custom charges or not. For me, it was a plus point because my clothes did not weigh anything. Okay, the weight and value of my products were what, 540 grams, and the value was 31. So they didn't care. They did not charge any custom from me. They charge customs according to the weight. Alright, so I remember some of my friends ordering from Opoly and they got customs for like 6,000 something, but I got 0 custom. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope this was informative enough. So guys, if you have any more queries, you can just comment down below, DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna help you out to order from Pretty Little Things. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and comment down below if you have any video requests, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.